BlockDAG's global launch release just dropped. Unlock $0.0017 BDAG after 3 buys at $0.0080. Stack up during the 6-week power plan. 100M BDAG in airdrops, 20 exchanges lined up, and a $323 million milestone shattered. Here's why this is your global advantage moment. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always DYOR, do your own research before investing in any crypto project. The BlockDAG global launch is officially live and it's kicking off with a powerful twist. Buy BDAG 3 times at $0.0080, unlock ultra-low $0.0017 pricing for all future buys until August 11th. Yep, that's not a typo, $0.0017, one of the lowest prices since Batch 1, now unlocked for early movers. This 6-week power plan rewards those who act fast before listings go live. It's all about giving you the edge, and time is ticking. Behind this global push is CEO Anthony Turner's powerful message. BlockDAG is being built for everyone, by everyone. Over 200,000 buyers and 2 million miners have already joined the movement, helping raise an eye-watering $323 million, outperforming early-stage giants like Polkadot, Filecoin, and Tezos. This isn't just marketing hype. Beta testnet, live. Mainnet, built. DApps, on the way. This is real infrastructure, not vaporware. Let's talk rewards. A 100 million BDAG airdrop is live. Complete simple quests like testing the net, referrals, and social tasks to earn your share. And don't forget, airdrop rewards are managed outside the main dashboard through a dedicated Wallet Connect page on their official site. Meanwhile, 20 major exchanges are lined up post-presale, including MEXC, Bitmart, XT.com, LBank, Coinstore, and more. Get ready for a 7-day listing window where early adopters can set the tone before full global rollout. BlockDAG isn't just selling hype, it's scaling. Over 2 million users are already mining BDAG via the X1 miner app, one of the largest mobile-first mining communities in crypto history. Plus, the X30 and X100 ASIC mining rigs are shipping this summer, 10,000 plus units strong, anchoring a hybrid DAG plus proof-of-work system that blends speed and security. And it doesn't stop there. BlockDAG Academy is launching free courses on mining, blockchain, and DApp development. And their affiliate program is perfect for influencers and educators. 25% BDAG bonus for referrers and 5% for referees. BlockDAG is also teasing a major U.S. sponsorship deal, hinting at big league partnerships with the slogan, "Champs only partner with champs." This move could bring serious mainstream exposure as the exchange window opens. Here's the deal. Buy 3x BDAG at $0.0080, unlock $0.0017 pricing for every future buy. Join the airdrop quests. Stack before August 11th. Ride the wave before global listings send the price chart vertical. Don't wait. Grab your 3 BDAG buys at $0.0080, unlock $0.0017 pricing for every purchase after, and lock in your position before August 11th. The global launch is your shot at the best deal before it's gone. Subscribe to Crypto Explainer for more crypto insights, opportunities, and breakdowns you won't want to miss. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next big crypto wave.